Hi everybody, this is the repair for seat heating on a Golf Mark 4 2001 edition. Here we have the power and this cable, and this is the airbag cable. My seat heating coils were interrupted in a few places, but now it's okay. I managed to find the interruptions and I soldered them, and now everything seems to be in order. To check if if you have any interrupts in your entire heating coil system, you just put the measuring gauge on resistance, and okay, and what you want to do is use this left upper connector and this one to test the resistance. Okay. So yeah, we see that everything is okay. Now to show you where my interruptions were. I had a few. One was right here, and you could see it clearly because the fabric was a little burnt. Yeah, so I soldered it and put some isolation over it. And here my heating coils were a little damaged because all of the heating coils were moved here and were compressed, so there were more here. I had one around here, one interrupt. I already concealed it, but there was one interruption here, one here, and now I need to cover it again, and I'm gonna mask it a little bit, and then I can put the upholstery back on. Okay.